Alright, anybody who's seen my channel, I don't do very many videos, but today I'm doing an exploring video. Just coming out here and exploring this abandoned building. It's an abandoned garage, actually. It's pretty cool. Oh, there's a doorway. We'll go in right here. Oh, actually, I don't know if I want to go in this. Oh, this is awesome. Wow. I don't think I'm going to go to the second floor at all. But there's a little towel rack. There's a beer bottle. Fuse box. Pretty sure that's the green. Gotta watch for nails. And for people coming out. Yeah, looks like some people have gotten here and decided to destroy this place. Yeah. This used to be tile floor. As you can see, it's all basically gone. Oh, there is a barn swallow. Probably find a lot of those in here. Let's make our way over here real quick. Let's do a little bit of exploring. I don't really want to go too far into here because the stairs actually look pretty safe. Oh. This used to be a little garage port here. This actually is a raccoon right there. God damn it. He was really close. Too close for my comfort. Goddamn coons. Nope, he ain't there no more. Right, let's go this way. Oh, shit! Alright, we're going outside the building. There's too many animals in here. Oh my god. See, there's still a cement pad here. Scary, buddy. Scared me. First it was a coon, then it was that. It fucking scared me. Trying to get a real good picture from over here real quick. I'm trying to be noticeable. I'm trying to be too noticeable. Fuck, I don't even actually know. Alright, this is basically the end of the pad. Something I've just been always wanting to do is explore a building. Damn. You scared me, dude. I'm gonna stick to this side over here. Come and look at the collapsed side of it. There's some rebar. And the collapsed part of the building is the part where the dugouts are. Great. So there is no going in this way at all, again. Because of that right there, which is the dugout for changing oil. So I'm not going to walk across that. I'll walk back through one of these doors and just try and get to that door right there. Just going to do this and get out of here. This is going to probably be only a 10-minute video. I just want to get an actual look inside here. I think I'm good. I just want to get an actual look. Yeah, this is all solid concrete. That's where I was, in there. Yeah, look at that. There are a couple rooms back there, but I really don't want to go upstairs. It looks dangerous. It's just nature's taking back what it wants, and I think it's getting what it wants. Is the door still open? Oh, it does. Oh, look. There's actually a ladder right there that goes to the upstairs. See if I can get around to that eventually. I don't want to make anything look too out of the ordinary of what it already has looked like. There's a wall used to be right there. Looks like they had offices up there. Must have been a big operation here. It must have been a rental truck place, actually, now that I think about this. This could have been a rental truck place. That is the end of the gas line. But let's see if we can make our way, because that coon is going, okay. Ooh, somebody's been out here doing some bad stuff. So that coon that I've seen earlier that freaked me out, that coon goes up that board and into that little hole, the closest one to the wall. That's all really, really, really wet. There is absolutely nothing but just wood and tiles and that such left. There is no paperwork of any sort. Dude, that coon is pretty smart, because there's only tiles on that part of the wall. Huh. Pretty smart. I wonder where he ends up going. I really don't fucking know. Huh. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere in there. Do not care to. That is dangerous. It's hell. I wouldn't even go. Just the smell of mold, black mold, that's all you can smell. Back out the way I came in. And doesn't look like it's possible to get around to that side at all. Just too much nature. Everything's looking. Try it. Oh, there's more stuff back here. A lot of stuff. I just want to try and get around these bushes a little bit. Doesn't look like I'm gonna. Because my only option would be to go up them stairs inside, but I'm not doing it. Yeah, see, there's this pile of junk, but then back there's some more stuff. Which that actually looks like. I'm getting stabbed in the back. Yep, that is what I think it is. That is a dump pot. Where they would dump all their oil and stuff. So, alright. I'm gonna end this video as soon as I get out of here. For the final shot of it. What I can do over here. The abandoned Rent-A-Truck building. Thanks y'all for watching. Subscribe if you wanna. I don't care. This is just the start of everything for my channel. So, love, peace, chicken grease.